And once you set it up, it runs on its own.
So what would you say to somebody that's on the fence of joining By Referral Only?
I would say jump the fence. You will not regret it. It's very affordable. It's all done for you, and it keeps you accountable, and it keeps you in front of people. They're there receiving your birthdays, your letters from the heart, everything. They're getting all those things from you, all those touches every single month, and you don't even have to do anything. All you have to do is get it prepared in the first couple of weeks. Talk to Emily. She's great about getting your database in there, and you just set it up. And once you set it up, it runs on its own. And for the price, it's very, very affordable, and it's a lot of value for what you're paying.